I'm at the Tesla charging area in Tyson's Corner, Virginia, and supposedly this is for Tesla vehicles only, although I have seen and heard of other vehicles, other types of vehicles that are here. I don't know if they can use a charging adapter or what. And as you can see, there's a lot of spots here, but there's only a couple of actual chargers here. I don't think there's enough chargers for the amount of spots that there are. There's a charger there. There's like 1, 2, and 3 is the one I'm plugged in on over here. So I'm sure this can get pretty crowded pretty quick. Right now it's empty. It's Sunday morning for opening time at the mall. And it's not, oh, by the way, this is not a supercharger. This is just regular 240, I believe it is, charging.